Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with exercise 13.2 of chapter 13, question number 3. It's been given that a metal pipe has the following dimensions, where height is 77 centimeters, inner diameter is 4 centimeters, outer diameter is 4.4 centimeters. You need to find the inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. So let us first understand what we are dealing with. First of all, they're talking about a metal pipe. So this is not really a metal pipe, but it is just a roll, but a metal pipe is going to be something similar to this. Now it has an outer diameter and inner diameter. See, the height is going to be constant for the inner diameter and the outer diameter also. So the height is always going to be 77 centimeters. Now what is the inner diameter and what is the outer diameter? So take a look at this. So this section, the inside section from the center, so from the center it will be something like this, right? So this diameter is, first of all, both the circles are concentric, that means they have the same center. So this diameter is going to be 4 centimeters, whereas this diameter is going to be, the smaller one is 4 centimeters, whereas the longer diameter is 4.4 centimeters. So what is the difference between these two? The difference is 4.4 minus 4. So let us see now what we need to find out. You need to find the inner curved surface area. So the inner curved surface area would be this entire region inside, and the outer curved surface area would be this exterior region outside, and the total surface area would be the sum of the interior region, the exterior region, the curved surface area of the interior region and exterior region plus the sum of these two thickness, one at the top and one at the base. So we'll take a look at each of these one at a time. Let us first go ahead and find the simple solutions for curved surface area of the inner part of the metal pipe and the exterior. So I'll say solution. For the first part, see, first of all, everything has been given in diameter. We do not have the radius. So we'll first find the radius. Let radius of inner section be r, small r, and outer section be capital R. Okay. Therefore, R is going to be 4 divided by 2, which is 2 centimeters, right? And R is going to be 4.4 divided by 2, which is 2.2 centimeters. So you got why the inner radius is 2, because the inner diameter is 4 centimeters and the outer diameter is 4.4. Therefore, the bigger radius is 2.2 centimeters. Now, curved surface area of, or rather inner curved surface area, is going to be 2 pi small r into h, right? So this is going to be 2 into 22 by 7 into 2 into height, which is going to be constant, that is 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 11s are 77. So you have 2 2s are 4, 4 22s are 88, 88 into 11 would be 88 and 88, right? So 8, 6 and 9. This is going to be 968 centimeters square. So this is inner curved surface area. Let's mark this as 1. Now we will find the outer curved surface area side by side. So I'll say outer curved surface area is going to be equal to 2 pi capital R into h, which is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.2 into 77. So again I have 7 ones are 7, 7 11s are 77. So again this is going to be 22 2s are 44, 44 into 2.2 into 11. So let's do this one at a time. So instead of 2.2, okay, let's just find 22 into 22 and then multiply it by 22. So this would be 2 11s are 22. I'm multiplying 2 with 11. Then 22 this here, and 2.2 can be written as 22 upon 10. So 22 into 22 into 22. So 22 into 22 will be 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So this is going to be 484, and then again we need to multiply it with 22. So I'm just doing this. 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. So this is going to be 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 9, 9680 plus 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 9. So 9680 plus 968, 8, 8, 9, 10, 14, 9, 10, 16. So 10648 divided by 10, which is going to be equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. So what was this? This was your outer curved surface area. So this was your first section and this was your second section. Now we need to find the total surface area. So let's see what is the total surface area going to be. Total surface area is going to be what? The sum of the the exterior curved surface area, the inner curved surface area, and this thickness area, right, at the top and the bottom. So if this was supposed to be the view, this view of your pipe, then this entire area you need to add it up 2 times. Why? One for the base and one for the top. So total surface area is going to be inner CSA plus outer CSA plus area of thickness at top and base, right? So first of all, we have the inner curved surface area and the outer curved surface area from 1 and 2. What about the area of thickness at the top and base? Now see, if this would have been an entire circle out here, let's just consider that this is what the lid would look like if it was not cut from the center, right? So what would be this area? We are just looking at one side. This area would be pi r square, pi capital R square, right? And the inner one, the area is how much? Pi r square. But we are taking 2 times, right? So this is going to be 2 pi r square and this will be 2 pi r square. So what is the thickness going to be? The thickness is going to be the difference of these two. So when you remove 2 pi common, outside you are left with r square minus r square. So this is what it is going to be. Inner curved surface area is going to be 968 plus outer curved surface area is going to be 1064.8 plus 2 pi capital R square, that is the radius of the exterior pipe, and R square, that is the radius of the interior region of the pipe. So this is going to be, let's add 968 and 1064. 968 and 1064.8. So this is going to be 8, 2, 6 2s are 12, 13, 9, 10 and 2. So this is going to be 2032.8. 2032.8 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into r square minus small r square. So your this r is 2.2. So 2.2 the whole square minus 2 square. So for this is going to be 2032.8 plus 44 upon 7. Now 2.2 into 2.2 would be 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 4, 8, 4. And how many decimal places? 2. So 4.84 minus 2 squares are 4. So 4.84 minus 4 is 0.84. So this can be further written as, let me just continue this side itself. So I am going to erase this working. This is going to be 2032.8 plus 44 upon 7 into 0.84. So when you cancel, what do you get? 7 ones are 7, 7 zeros are 0.1, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So finally, what are we left with? 2032.8 plus 44 into 0.12. So first we need to multiply these terms and then add it to 2032.8. So let's calculate this. So 44 into So let's consider first 44 into 12. We'll add the two decimal places later. So 44 into 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. So 440 plus 88. So this, when you add 88 to this, what do you get? 8, 2, 5. 528, but we have two decimal places, so 5.28. So you need to add 2032 to 5.28. So 2032.8 plus 5.28. So this is going to be 808302. So 2038.08. Let me just compare 2038.08 centimeters square. And here I will say from 1 and 2, because we are taking the curved surface area, the inner curved surface area and the outer curved surface area. So let us write the answers here itself, since we do not have sufficient space on the board. Inner curved surface area is 968 centimeters square. Outer curved surface area is 1064.8 centimeters square. And total surface area is 2038.08 centimeters square. So this is the solution. Please take a look. And the answer is here. So I'll just box it. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.